DMC made a wing spoiler for the new G Class. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again, and today we're gonna have a look at DMC's latest product for the new 464W G Class AMG. This one will also fit on the G500, but most important, this is for the latest iteration of the G Class, which started to ship 2019. Here's our wing spoiler, and we actually have developed it design-wise very similar to the one that we had on the previous G Class. If you remember, we had a white body kit before that we called Zeus, and now that the new generation G Class is out, we thought this design looked pretty nice, so we're gonna make it very similar. It basically adds onto the rear edge of your G Class, and here we take a look at the carbon fiber quality. Of course, everything is made from pre-packed carbon with the center line V-shape. This is the best quality you can get, even exceeding OEM quality, I would say. And of course also with the 3D hologram sticker by DMC here on the right side. We receive a lot of questions that asked us, at least for the previous G Class, how much downforce this wing provides. We have to disappoint you. There is certainly some downforce that this wing will provide you, but consider how heavy the G Class is. This product is more or less meant to be a style product. Of course, this wing will be very nice in combination with the LED roof spoiler. You may have seen it in the beginning of the video. We have a roof LED bar that sits on the front of the roof. This one sits on the rear, so it's going to be a good combination product. Again, we did the same thing on the previous G Class. I think every G Class needs that kind of design elements to make it look really outstandingly well. I know there's some other wings in the market, but we found them, honestly speaking, a little bit too high, and some people had already reported to us that they're having problems going into their garages. So here's what I mentioned before. Let's take a close look on the other side, and you will see the base of the wing is shaped exactly like the G Class and rear edge, so it's gonna sit on there very nicely. There's gonna be enough space for you to glue this on if you would like to. You can also add some safety screws, but gluing this one on will be absolutely sufficient. I know a lot of you don't want to drill any holes. You don't need to do this with this one at all. So that's it for the video. Let me say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more content. And if you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to drop them down below this video. I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.